Hi, I'm Dan Summers, and welcome to this week's whiteboard session. Today we're going to talk a little bit about our number one feature on our capital raising white label platform. The number one feature is the data mining for accredited investor tool. What we do is we draft algorithms to reach into a myriad of APIs, which include models and makes of automobiles. Do they read the Wall Street Journal? High-level, C-level positions, value of houses, American Express, gold or platinum cards, etc., etc. And we bring all that information down into our eVest database, and from there we drive that down to our eVest engine, which does the actual correlation between all of the data points. And as a result, we kick out a mail marketing ready spreadsheet, which allows you to upload these names and push your deal out to as many accredited investors as there are within a 50-mile radius of your offering. For more information, go to evesttech.com. That's evesttech.com. Thank you.